everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you an easy, quick, and super delicious dinner idea, and I will be putting everything up on the screen of all the ingredients that you will need. So you'll want to start out with a little bit of olive oil in the frying pan, and you're going to want to saute the onion first. This night I did not have fresh garlic, so I just used some minced garlic in the jar. It's pretty much the same thing. And I used about a tablespoon of garlic. So while the onion and the garlic are finishing sauteing, here is where you want to go ahead and add all your ingredients to the blender or food processor. So I'm using about 3 handfuls of baby spinach. You can use whatever spinach you have on hand. And next, the handful of basil. I just washed it really well. And then you will put in the cheese. I just cut it into cubes. And next, the evaporated milk. I use about 3/4 of the can, but you can use the whole can. It's just up to you. And then finally, you will add in your sauteed onion and garlic. It's okay if it's hot because it's all going to be blended, and then you will put it back in the pan to simmer with a little butter for about 10 minutes. And pretty much that is it. My 8-year-old loves this dish. He calls it green spaghetti, and since he's a picky eater, at least he's getting his greens in with the spinach and basil, so that is a good thing. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pulse this up for a few minutes. And here I'm using this Earth Balance vegan butter. It's so good. I've been buying this lately, and it's plant-based. So I used about a tablespoon of butter, and once that's melted, you're gonna wanna go ahead and pour everything from the blender into that pan and just simmer it on low for about 10 minutes. And you can use any pasta that you like. I'm just using spaghetti because that's what the kids wanted. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's done. It's super easy and super good. And I just wanted to say, for those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Michelle. I make all types of cleaning, cooking, hauls, reviews, and so much more. So if you like these types of videos and like to get a few dinner ideas, please consider subscribing to my channel and come say hi in the comments below. I love meeting new friends. So here I'm just going to plate it up. I've been using this serving platter lately. I don't know, I just think it gives a nice presentation. I went ahead and poured a little more of the pesto sauce on top of the pasta, and then in the beginning of the video you saw me grilling up some chicken, and I just marinated that in some Italian dressing, and that is it. Super easy, and here it is. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know in the comments below what you think, and thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys again real soon in my next one. Bye!